Unfortunately, my third book will not be published on the 27th of December because I've made the book too long and now I have to lose 53 pages. Just as a reminder, guys, Beauty and the Gut is there alongside the other book, How to Beat COVID. This book here is going to help start you on your health journey. You do not need the recipe book because there are recipes also in this book as well. At the back of the book, there are recipes here. So that can get you started if you need recipes, and it just tells you everything that you need to take for your gut health, also for your hormones here, which I have covered in my recipe book as well. Look, do not skip the healthy fats. I'm saying it in the recipe book as well because you need them for your hormones, and they also do help with your gut health too. All the foods to eat are in this book as well. Healthy foods, their benefits, what you need to take. Add them to smoothies. And then we've got things like, why do you need to avoid sugar? Why do you need to avoid gluten? Why do you need digestive enzymes? Probiotics, the kind of strains as well in a probiotic, why they are beneficial, and all of these parasite killers, what to take if you have IBS, how to reverse it naturally because you can reverse it. There's Candida, there's SIBO because SIBO comes with IBS and leaky gut, so you need to reverse both of those. Everything you need to heal is in this book. Collagen powder, I do take it as well. Yes, I am plant-based, but I am taking marine collagen because it helps to repair the gut lining, and that is important when healing your gut when you have problems with skin, autoimmune and other inflammatory health conditions. So I know you're excited for my book, but remember, Beauty in the Gut is here, and it's an amazing Christmas present if you want to give the gift of health to someone who really needs a little bit of support, guys. So sending you lots of love. Have a beautiful Christmas, and it's here, guys. The first book, always Beauty in the Gut, available worldwide.